What do you make of the gains? Is this investor optimism for Diageo, especially on the other side of the pandemic?
Good morning. In these results, you will see our business worldwide grew 1%. So we're back to pre-pandemic levels. The factors at play here, we still have tough conditions in the on-trade in many markets around the world. But the company came into the crisis with strong foundations, very consumer-centric, with a lot of agility, and our marketing and innovation has pivoted to where the consumer occasions are. North America is up 12%, really strong growth at the premium end of our portfolio. Brands like Don Julio and Casamigos tequila are up 60%. These are $50 bottles of tequila. Bullet Bourbon up 15%. But then China was up 15%, both our Baijiu business and Scotch whisky. Even in the UK, where the pubs and bars have been closed now, our business was up 2%, and the spirits business was up 15%. So we've pivoted to the at-home occasion, the on-trade, as we call the off-trade, and we've been gaining and holding market share in more than 70% of our business around the world. And coming into this crisis, we said two things. One is we want to grow quality, sustainable market share, and we are investing behind it. And second, we want to do the right things for our customers, our people, and our communities. And I'm very proud of the actions we've taken there as well. So we've come, yes. Diageo has come out of this stronger, and we've reaffirmed our confidence with increasing our dividend by 2%.
Okay, good morning to you, Ivan. Thinking about the US market, you've told us there about your strengths in America and where they have come from. I've seen some comments from analysts this morning describing this as outstanding and extraordinary, the amount of business you've managed to do in North America. I wonder, though, how sustainable that will prove to be.
Well, the US is Diageo's biggest market. North America is about half our profits. The factors that are really encouraging, looking to your question, longer term and sustainable, are the following. One is spirits is gaining share of total beverage alcohol, growing faster than beer and wine. So the beer and wine occasions are switching into spirits. Secondly, people are drinking better. The top end of our portfolio had the biggest growth. Actually, our reserve brands, which is like Johnnie Walker Blue and the tequila brands at $50 a bottle. I mean, we're seeing double-digit growth at that end of the portfolio. So the long-term trends in the US market are very positive. We are only a 6% share of the total beverage alcohol market in the United States. So there's a lot of market share to grow, but there's consumer momentum. The demographics are positive. The cocktail culture is alive. And people are drinking better brands in tequila, in whiskey. Even a brand like Bailey's grew 12% in the United States. So I'm feeling good about the resilience of this business. And clearly, the on-trade is more pressured. But when that comes back, we're supporting our customers strongly in the on-trade. And I expect us to recover quickly because the consumer desire to socialize outside the home is very strong. And as conditions improve, we expect that to come back.
What about marijuana, Ivan? I saw a friend's grocery store receipt from the U.S. a couple of days ago that had a coupon for a pre-rolled joint printed on the back. I mean, it's becoming that mainstream, and it's obviously a very social thing to do as well. Is it something, I know you were looking into it, but is it something that that Diageo can consider in the midterm future?
Well, I'd say we're tracking the development of the industry. We don't see it having an impact on our business. It is not directly impacting in our business in states, say like Colorado, where it's been legalized for a long time. So we've not made any moves in the sector, and we're going to watch it and track it. But we see plenty of runway of exciting growth in in our core spirits and beer business. And indeed, we've been acquiring in that space. We acquired Aviation Gin recently, and another Chase Gin, which is in process right now in the UK. So we're on the hunt for premium spirits brands, and we will track what's happening in the marijuana space, but we don't see it having an impact on our business as of now, and we see plenty of runway for growth in our core business.